Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best channel on YouTube. So I am your host Carter. We're going to be talking about how much YouTube has paid me for 48,000 views. So let's jump into it. So over the past year, I have been making videos every single day on average. You know, there has been days where I haven't made a video, or maybe, a couple days if I'm on vacation or doing something along those lines. But almost every single day I have been grinding, creating content, creating videos, sharing my experience with you guys. Now, how much does YouTube actually pay me? Now, this is a very, very common question that I get from family members or even comments on YouTube. Now, it's super, super simple. The 48,000 views that I've generated over the past year came out to $0. Now, the reason why they've done that is because YouTube changed their policy for content creators. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours watched. Now, I hit that 4,000 hours watched very, very quick, but the 1,000 subscribers, I have not hit it yet, so subscribe to the channel. But that's not the point of this video, guys. The point of this video here is if you want something, it's gonna take time. I get that. Now, that's why I make videos for you guys. So pretty much how much I make is zero. Now, that is kind of a broad subject because when I create videos, there has been people that bought my book and checked out my podcast, because my podcast actually makes me on average $110 per month, which I'm extremely thankful for. But YouTube changed their policies. Now, they used to make it where anybody could sign up for an AdSense account and you could virtually make money on the next day. But the reason why they did that, I feel, is because they wanted to make it more difficult for creators to do that. Now, it does suck, but like I was saying, if you want something, it takes time, and this is something that I want. So if you want a fun channel, subscribe down below, guys. Subscribe. So that is it though. I've made literally $0 from YouTube, but I have made some money using YouTube as almost a third-party marketing software. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little episode on how much I get paid from YouTube. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I will go through and answer any questions that you may have. So this channel is mainly focused on money management, investing, trading stocks, and vlogs. So that is it. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend and a happy Mother's Day to everyone.